Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now once again I'm talking about Reef Finance, guys. So absolutely, first of all, I want congratulations, very congratulations. There is a bundle of congratulations to all Reef Finance holders, guys, because in Reef Finance is absolutely now in the huge profit, guys. So very congratulations, this huge pump. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest update, and we will also shortly talk about the future price pump or dump in this video. So keep watching, guys. If you are new here, so guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like this video. At this time, guys, the right now price of refinance in the market is about 0.025534 USD dollar. And that is the current price of reef. Other side, you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. These all changes is completely positive about refinance. Every hour you found refinance positive, guys. Absolutely. And at this time, guys, a lot of people, the trading volume is very high, so that's why, guys, people investing more and more. You can see here, wow, if I zoom the price chart, so there's really a quick jump. That's called quick jump, guys. Just look here. Unbelievable, guys. Very congratulations. Positive 16% the price pump. So in a right now situation, that's clear for everybody that it's just hold time. It's just hold time. So just hold and enjoy this pump. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos.